Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Look at that shadow. Wow. It's like, shh, I'm being interviewed. So today's topic is sentimental. It's gonna go right to the heart. For real though. Oh my gosh. Today's topic is all about describing a song that was involved in a pivotal moment in time for you that makes an amazing memory. I'm gonna have to go with, for me, one of the, not the earliest, but one of the most pivotal moments in my life was when I had seen Duran's music video, Rio. I know, going there again, but it really did make a big difference in my life. It for reals did. Like, it is the quintessential song. Quintessential. Can you name a movie that word is used in? It involves Ben Stiller, if you can. Put it in the kilt zone. Yeah. Anyways, the music video is epic. It seriously is a quintessential song that helped shape a lot of my ideas about creativity, about fun, life, celebrating, femininity, masculinity, just the hunt, the chase of the man going after the woman, all of that. I mean, it's phenomenal. What about you guys? What about you? What is a song that is like that pin in the map for your life that helps shape who you are today, that is like one of those standout memories? Share it downstairs in the kilt zone. And yeah, I'd really like to learn a little bit more about you. You know, don't be mud stick, don't do that. Participate. So other than that, I say we wrap it up. ASMR, let's wrap up the video. All right, let's wrap it up. Oh, wait a minute. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times, cuckoo, a little bit weird. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Yay! Congratulations. I really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Why are you holding back? Dive into the agile mind of David Esquire. Can you refer to that reference that I just made about Duran? Can you? And, make sure you like, comment, share. There's the call to action. And subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, the ding dong, the raven that gets sent to your home. And until next time, remember to do something properly. I could really go for a little bit more right now. I'm kind of feeling like, I need a G Fuel, yeah. Oh, which means I should probably get caffeinated. So stay caffeinated, please. Why don't you stay caffeinated? Please stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. There's a lot of in this video today. Wonder why. All right, stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye. Ciao.